We are getting more info on NDC prophet now. Wabeka Sejin Mensa Bewuno. Now there is this video, as you are seeing right in front of you, how he was arrested, and so I'll take you through and then explain things, and then make sure Nipakra will yet behind a branch is and you're arrested. Into Ubehu clearly now on a Hot FM for a year interview. It was being broadcasted live on a year Facebook. And I just say national security for Eko Hokochino. So right here, he was talking about Kennedy Japan and Obinim. Into I say we won't send your wash no. Now national security for no aba around. National security for no air catcher and say we have your arrest warrant at your person your tune. I say omo yes omo so nim no kasa mo so nimu. The national security for no ebe ba obe hu mbema pa chese omo abobo mbema chese uhu omo basa obe hu say yes mbema ni national security for no mo no. They don't do it. Until once a story in the bar first about a breaking news, yeah, channel, police watching, no. The way the people were not dressed in police attire quickly, me who say be national security and I say BN94. To be who mbema tintia kesi na wo claim say mo so ni mo a chese mbema yi be 4. Omo so mo a wo ne hwan. So the people they are holding no ne arrest warrant a wo mo yes na ko mo de tre no. Said this is your arrest warrant. We are here to arrest you. Inti eno na wo mo ye we a omo ne ye gidigidi wo but mbema say be 5 tintin akese be untumi ni omo empreso. So there they are sending him away. Inti no subscribe na click notification bell no so oye na say latest news about unsa ebeka. So eno na wo mo de ne kono. So Hot FM for na wo mo ye interview no. They were even shocked because behind the scene no na wo mo kromo bisa say so how come because they were shocked because location and na papa ne one na omo wan say national security for to me who location na ekokoche no nti Land Cruiser mu na wo mo de no share wo mo de na ekono. So the interviewers were worried because they didn't know say indeed these people were from national security or not. So national security for Land Cruiser ba ko pe no mo de ba ebi na etuaso no Land Cruiser no be 4 Nini nasa no etuaso awomo edeba ebeche no. So that's the video, that's the explanation. Now let's go into the proper video and then I'll draw your mind to something. Now the proper video you can once never the same and a national security for no ehun baby awowo na nini na Kennedy Japan. Now the intermaker say Kennedy Japan they say even Kennedy Japan confirmed this. Say we need see no Andra, let me take it from yesterday. Andra Kennedy Japan back say about Papa we netu the seats no. What Kennedy Japan said and they say no Kennedy Japan will be making sure say a police for and a national security for ebeche Papa we. So national security and a police for cry and chip Papa we no Kennedy Japan and kasabe so man the boys ama one man the boys na ko chip Papa we. Inti Kennedy Japan you be what they need to phone so be my chip Papa we. Now and there one more koye interview with Hot FM. I don't know whether Hot FM for no because obviously the Hot FM radio station they know his location. That is why they went to his house to interview him. It means that Kennedy Japan got the info from Hot FM for no who said because he was live on radio. Not omoye interview live on radio and I posted for Eko Hoko channel. So I don't know whether Kennedy Japan got the info from Hot FM for or what. But Kennedy Japan and inform national security for ne say papa no ni location ni monko hankoche no moko ya ne kre wo moko to na wo mo ache no. So Kennedy Japan was the one who informed national security for and a national security for ekoche sa papa yi media maka papa yi ye can say NDC prophet don akasa ka say wonye NDC ni but wow, she said na walk no and then somehow what kind the way it was broadcasted by NDC TV ninti because we NDC ni but in the interview no one no kan was wo no kra wonye NDC ni Nyankopon and e di adwuma hye ne nsa keke say won't lead the NDC into power na NDC for ya de na nya one no esan so ba bonten eba ebeka. I've told you ni din kra ya edin bia me de ya enemy team say Kwabena Owusu Ejio said his name is not in my head because I don't know him. And yeah, same way, and a video and an audio and a trendy ya. Na kameka personally me nim no. Now, I want you guys to keep your attention on this. Police for chain no police for my yeti say na wo kra we. And so I don't know say emda watina ho say na we na ehye ne ho ana say den. because mama what he say even no any police for national security but mama what he say police for mpanyinfo police IGP kra ababonten eka se wono wate say na say police for chi obi a no ma hyeda de wi ahye nipa ko ne ho na saa de no police for ne nye no munjai nti me nim say we one okay so as you are seeing right now obehun say as a bibi bonata so it could be say it is indeed true o share nata so ya the video will come back you see o share nata so ya to me say e hwa ye pofu e hon so na ne say wodi wi no ahye so the video will come back again and then you guys you watch it and then we will all see because ni na mu no eye ne kre e na ye den ye pe eye ne kre e ne ye pe nti ha se na wo mo hekel no national security for dia wo boa mbema nkasa o mbema nkasa papa ni mu odu na so ontumi because share national security for no mbema be 4 a wo mo so e wase wo kra e so mu oni hwan chale mbema nkasa we dey as a movie o see the way they are whisking him away we dey as a movie nyama be say you see it in movies so so that's the man that's him they are sending him away I'll replay the video is on loop it has to play out yeah na ma twen wadwen aba bibi so then we see because asem ne senya bedin kaka ni na no eye ne kre ene yepe asem ni mu ne kre ene yepe see the way abranti aso ayehye asem o omema abranti aso ayehye papa but on so ka nsem a wo ka na nyankopon na yi tre no na spiritual matter won sa spiritual matter na de bia me ka tre mo say Ghana ha will be the spiritual matter sa na tre say wa ma yekun obi free na wa ma yekun obi free so onu akasa ni fie even the radio presenter was saying say we the coded location and they were shocked and blah national security for na for mo kono they were even asking they na watch video no be say hey now we there how did they know we were here? Not just some cry shock you. How can Japan even got to know where they were? No, how can Japan got to know of the man's location? But Papa never sorry. I want you guys to stick on this. Okay, into Mohan Nataso. Once I say I pofo. I say Nataso on the side no. I pofo. Into a hop and police for no and national security for a video no media bro earlier on. Our most say a hona now we no a share. Interesting, very very interesting. Whether indeed it is true or not, but that's what is coming through. That's what is coming through. Kenya Japan led the national security to go arrest this man and Charlie. I dear way dear. But in the name no so I can. I say one no the Nyankopon and a man way. But let's see how this thing will turn out. Apparently, Kenya Japan knows the family of this guy, this man. Sorry, Kenya Japan knows the family of this man. And Papa no so yobia. Kenya Japan nankasa eka ebie nenum kan say Papa no yobia said the family of film no. And your family ketwa they are very rich. As a one na one bob braye and trese insem bebre na ma say be abrabo eye ne say ba Kenya Japan nankasa admit say Papa ne family no. The man is from a very very wealthy rich family in Kumasi. So let's see how this turns out. Will the family let's see how this turn out. Let's see how this turn out. Will the family actually find a lawyer for him, or they'll just leave him to rot in whatever he's doing? But as same way there ebimo so can say way pure intimidation any them but me them account me say media Jin Mensa said we you mebusi ni ena me hu de ye de ye papa ya anka me I'll not have sympathy for the man because say Jin Mensa you mebusi ni na wo kan say wo bewu say you don't expect me to have sympathy for you. I'm sorry whether you call me biased on this matter or not, but whether even that thing is right no it's a different matter. But I'm just putting myself in the shoes of a Jin Mensa at ya say saying say wo bewu say no I mean it's enya asem a ye kan. And now somewhere you can, let's see how the matter turns out in court. No. Let's see how the matter turns out in court. Let's see how this matter will go. The human rights activists, because me Hussein Crawford, as I said, the way the man was even arrested, it is against human rights. the way he was arrested and was just taken away, it's against human rights. And see, let's see. And then some people are also saying, national security for I was saying Kennedy Japan, and I said and you see, that's one thing. If I need a different matter, but I think the video is getting too long. We have to cut it here. But you guys are seeing this. This is the video of how the man was arrested live on Facebook. Don't tell me I do a comment box anymore, but that's it.